The point of being active on a mix of social channels is to diversify your investments, kind of like setting up a mutual fund where the risk is reduced since you're buying into multiple stocks. It's helpful to make informed investments in niche social networks to reach your audience in places where there's less competition and more opportunities to make an impact. A niche social network is a platform where a big audience is active, but there's not likely as large of a user base compared to Facebook, Twitter, or another more mainstream social channel. TikTok, Pinterest, and Yelp are examples of important niche social networks businesses should consider being active on to reach a specific type of customer. These networks often cater to a particular demographic as opposed to the mainstream channels that pretty much reach everybody. For example, TikTok is very popular among teenagers. Yelp is great for reaching a local or regional audience, and Pinterest is best used to reach people looking for inspirational visuals. In addition to a smaller audience, these channels often have a more specific use case for consumers and businesses, which is why they have smaller audiences. Since these networks aren't trying to be everything to everyone, it is to your advantage to get active on niche social networks as there's less noise from other advertisers. In some cases, if you're an early adopter of a new growing social network, then you might be able to see a significant return in terms of the amount of attention you receive if it takes off. With that said, here's a quick breakdown of some of the noteworthy niche social networks to be thinking about. Pinterest, arguably the largest niche platform, is a visual search engine to get product and design recommendations, especially when planning a wedding or taking on an interior design project. Another is TikTok. It's a place where users share and consume short videos of a few seconds that are typically pre-planned to tell a story or align with a popular challenge that's trending. Next is Quora, a question and answer focused social network where anyone can share a question publicly and then experts on the topic chime in to answer from their perspective. I'd also recommend being aware of Tumblr and Medium, which are both a mix between a social network and a blogging platform for producing and sharing different types of messaging. Reddit is another network to take note of, as it's a news aggregator where its users share links on various topics, encouraging upvotes and sometimes passionate discussions from others. And lastly, two additional niche social networks worth considering are Yelp and Jiffy. Yelp is a destination for people to leave reviews about restaurants and local businesses, while Jiffy is a database and a search engine for GIFs and other looping video formats. It's time to make a strategic investment in niche social networks, as there's an opportunity to earn a major payout in attention.